SSP, we make the highest quality valves and fittings for instrumentation and process systems. We sell across every marketplace that you can think of, all the way from upstream, downstream, midstream oil and gas into aerospace.
We want to have the best equipment available there, from the ability to manufacture top quality product, the latest and greatest in machining, robotics, automation, tool monitoring systems.
It not only makes better parts, but it makes them faster.
Technology is what's going to make everything better for the customer. If we use better technology that comes out every day, we're going to be able to go ahead and pass that savings along to our end users. So we are constantly reinvesting our profits into building SSP even better, and that means technology.
We have a quality policy in place that ensures that processes are correct and quality department checking our parts.
We have a very rigorous quality ensurement plan, one that starts from manufacturing. We have process steps throughout the entire manufacturing process, whether it is just a visual inspection, a robot inspection. We also have an entire quality department whose job is to make sure that everything is correct before we let it go out of the door.
We've added 3 cameras now. I'm working on the 4th one. And we can inspect about 3 parts a second, which is obviously a lot faster than anybody can do it by hand or eye. And it takes the stress off the person sitting there trying to make sure that they don't let bad parts get through. We added a test stand back in assembly to test and pressurize some of our check valves and our adjustable relief valves. It's a benefit to the customers is because they're going to get a good part and all the pieces are going to be there and it's going to work as we promise it will.
Vertical integration in our facility, from forgings, sourcing forgings, to making custom cutting tools, to making our own dies. This allows us to have control over quality, delivery. It also allows us to make changes when needed. Our engineers could react to that, and the tooling could be made in a very short lead time.
SSP's parts are all made in the USA, and that makes me very proud that we do everything in-house. We make it here, we know it's good. When it leaves here, we know it's right.
It feels great to make a part in the USA.
SSP is a privately owned 3rd-generation company.
The company's gotten a little better every year, whether it's with equipment, whether it's safety, whether it's cleanliness, whether it's improvements to make us a more environmental friendly company.
We make top-notch product. Our on-time delivery is unsurpassed by anyone in the industry, with greater than 99% on time to promise.
I'd say give it a try, and if it doesn't work, we'll take it back.